and welcome to today's tip. Now I am just going to show you how I match my watercolours with my photograph really. Now I've got this photo here. I want to use a watercolour background, and so what I'm doing is I'm just picking up a few different colours. I've got some greens, 3 greens, and I've got a little bit of red and orange there just to sort of brown out some of these greens. And what I'm going to do is just slowly move these colours into where I want them. I'm going to start off dark. I've got a bit of scrap paper on the side here so I can see that what it's going to do is exactly what I want it to do, and I'm just going to float down one side with my colours, interchanging them between some of the bluier greens and some of the yellower greens. So I'm just going to carry on doing that until I get down to the bottom. So there we have all of our colours going down. Now I'm happy with that. We've got a little bit of pink in this photograph that I really want to draw out. So we'll work on that as well once it has dried. But before it completely dries, I just want to show you a little technique that I've got here with the glitter. Now the lovely thing is that whilst that's drying, this glitter will stick to the watercolours. Now I'm just going to use 1/2 of mine, so whilst put my scrap paper down. Now it is pretty wet, so it is going to pool a little bit, but I can always fix that up with the paintbrush afterwards. And I'm just going to go down one side. Instead of pouring it on, I'm just going to get a little spatula and sort of sprinkle down one side. Now that's just left a beautiful shimmer down one side of that. Now I'm going to wait for that to dry, and then we can add the finishing touches. Now in my photograph I've got some trees coming in either side, so I'm going to start bringing those in, and then that will be done. Okay, so I've got a bit of green and a bit of brown in there. I'm going to add my photo in now. It might need a little bit of a border, but I love how that has come out. Just watercolours, a little bit of glitter and a stencil.